Good morning, children. I have to learn the forms, very important, and try to learn every day. You have to learn three forms, and next day you have to learn another three. And what we learned, write on the notes. Okay. What did you say yesterday? How to use? If it is given two forms, what are the forms are there? One is distance between midpoints and slope and equation. Equation is not there in for 10th class. It is for the studies. And if it is given 3, you have to find centroid. You have to find centroid and area of the triangle. Okay. Now I will start the exercise. What is the similarity sums you have to do? The first two problems are the distance between 2 points. You have to use the formula I said how to do. That method you have to follow. When you do anything, you have to do this systematically. As write a question without writing formula, it is not correct. Systematically, you have to do. Okay, step by step, you have to do what is given. You have to write formula and substitute the values. Right? The last is conclusion. What does to find the distance between the 2 points? Here, what happened? We are finding the distance between 2 points. Okay, then I will continue. What is the question? Verify the points 1, 5, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 1 are connected or not. Verify the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1 are connected or not. How can you prove? If you observe that from graph, you know that simple way. Here, if it is given half mark, no need to do everything. Okay, you have to do, no need to do everything. Just make a graph. Roughly, you have to do that. Whether it is collinear or not. What is collinear? First of all, you have to know that what is collinear. What is collinear means? The points lie on the same line. Suppose 3 or more points is given, the all points lie on the same line. That is called collinear. So just observe that 1, 5. Suppose here 1 is there, here 5, this is 1 point. 2, 3. This is 2, this is 3. Okay? 2, 3. And minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1 is here. It's x minus 2 and y x minus 1. What they observe? The 3 are on the same line? No. The 3 are in the not the same line. Suppose join the points, what happens here? This is like triangle. So these 3 points are not a collinear. Also, if it is given half mark in for coordination you simply no need to find anything. Simply you have to say these 3 points are not on the same line, so it is not a collinear. Are we clear? This is clarity about that. It is not a collinear. Okay, how to do? If it is given either 2 marks or 1 mark, actually they are given 1 mark. They are giving either 2 marks or 4 marks. How to find? First of all, you have to find the distance between of AB, BC, CA. We have to find the distance between AB, BC, CA. What is AB? What is AB means here? A stands for what is A 1 5, B 2 3. Don't forget the distance between two points. The distance between 2 points. Formula. I have tried the formula. What is the form? That is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. Already I said that this formula we are using more than 50 times. This formula we are using more than 50 times. So this now what is x1? What is y1? First of all, I have to divide x1, y1, x2, y2. Now substitute the values. Every time no need to write this formula. When you do that, AB enough. Next time BC no need to write again formula. Yes, you have to how to substitute. You have to learn. And what is x2? X2 is 2. 2 minus 1 whole square plus. What is y2? 1 5. Sorry, 2 3. 1 5. 3 minus 5 whole square is equals this is 2 minus 1 whole square 1 plus 3 this is right 1 square minus 2 whole square, right step by step. So 1 square is 1 minus 2 whole square is 4, that is root 5. That is what? Root 5. What is that? AB is root 5. AB square is equals 5. AB square is equals 5. How to verify that? The square of the largest side whole square is equals the sum of the square of the remaining two side whole squares. The sum of the square of the remaining two sides. So here when you find that AB square plus BC square plus AC square, you have to find what is bigger one. You have to find that. Then you have to find the distance between BC. You have to find the distance between BC. How to find the distance between BC? Then you find that distance between BC. Don't consider A. Already this is over. Now B and C. Now the distance between BC, here what is the B value? The right of points 2 3 and C is minus 2 minus 1. What is C? C is minus 2 minus 1. Okay, then what to do? We have to write what is x1, what is y1, what is x2, what is C? Put x1, y1, x2, y2. Are we clear? Now we are finding the distance between BC. We are finding that distance between BC. So now again we need to write this is x2 minus x1. What is x2? Minus 2 whole square plus y2. What is minus 1 minus 3 whole square. That is okay. This is minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 whole square means how much? The minus 4 it can be written as 2 times. That is minus and minus plus 4 into 4 16. Root 16 plus root 16. Sorry, root 16 plus 16, that is root 32. Therefore BC square is equals 32. What is that? BC square is equals 32. Now, what is the next step? How to find the distance between AC. You have to find the distance between AC. How to find the distance between AC? Here, find the distance between AC. Remember that what is A point you have to write, what is C point you have to write. Sir, they did not give ABC. You have to assume that this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay? Now, what is AC? What is the A point? A point is 1 5 and C point is minus 2 minus 1. Now, again, what did you say? Again, no need to write. Remember that the formula root over x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1. What is x2? This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Not to consider. Now x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 minus 5 whole square. Okay. Now what to do? Minus 2 minus 1 how much? Minus 3 whole square. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square is minus 3 whole square. That is minus 3 whole square plus this is minus 6 whole square. Now this is minus 3 whole square is 9 6 square that is 6. That is how much? Root 35. Therefore AC square is equal to 35. Why 45? Then you here AC is equals root 45 squaring on both sides. Then squaring on both sides root 45 whole square. No? So square root cancel. AC square is equals 30. Okay? Ultimately it will come. Okay, no need to write everything. Just you have to know. Okay, AC square is equals 30. Are you clear? Now, what to do? Here, what is the question? The question is, you have to prove that if the points are collinear or not. Now, if you alter that, what is the highest value? Actually, it is collinear means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Actually, why AC square you can consider? Suppose sometimes BC also will get more value. That only more value. 45 is equal to AB square 5 plus 30. That is 45 is not equal to 37. So those points are not a collinear. Are you clear? Any doubt? Did you understand that? Okay, then if you observe this question, why left actually when I start this chapter I said that only 30% I will say, remains 70% you have to do. The remaining sums you have to do same model, very simple thing. You have to find out what's distance between, if it is given 4 points A, B, B, C, C, D, D, you have to find. Okay, show that the following points from a equilateral triangle. A point is A0 and B point is minus A0, C point is 0, 0. Why should you give root 3? Sometimes you will confuse that. That is root 3. A means root is belongs to A, but it is clear to given that A root 3. Now I have to find the distance between AB. What is the formula? The distance between 2 points. What is the formula? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is the distance between 2 points? Right? What is A point? A point is A0 and B point is minus A0. Okay? This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now substitute the values. Now what is x1, what is y1, what is x2, what is but you have to substitute the values. Now we are getting that is x2 minus a minus x1. What is x1? A whole square plus what is y2? 0 minus 0 whole square. 0 minus 0, 0 only, no? Yes. That is minus 2a whole square. minus 2a whole square. Okay. Now minus 2a whole square means actually what you thought? Sir, root square cancel, minus 2 is coming, not correct way. Minus 2a whole square we have to write that 4a square. Root over 4a square, that is root 4 into root a square. A square root cancel. Root 4 means 2a. What is AB? AB is 2a. Okay, are you clear? As don't write that. Sorry, you only said that square root cancel. First of all, you have to expand the value. Then root 4a square, it can be written as root 4 into root a square. Root 4 square root cancel, that is 2a. Are you clear? Now, find the distance between BC. What is B value? Minus 0 and 0. A root 3 is given, change it as root 3 dA. This is x1 by 1, x2. Now, what is the formula? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is frequently it will come. Okay. Now, what is that? Root over x2 minus x1, that is the distance between BC is root over before AB you got 2a. Now what is that? BC x2 minus x1, 0 minus of minus a whole square. When it comes minus, keep the bracket. This x2 minus x1, x1 value is minus a, right? Then and y2 minus a, root 3a minus 0 whole square. This for root is only for 3. Okay. Now what is next step? Minus or minus plus 0 plus a square. I have to find 9 plus a plus root 3a whole square. That is a square plus root square cancel, 3a square. Root over, that is root over 4a square. That is, you know that root 4 into root a square. Square root cancel, root 4 value is 2, 3. Now, BC also 2a. Actually, what you have to prove? AB is equals, BC is equals CL. The three sides are equal. It is equilateral triangle. You know that. Okay? Are you clear? Now, you have to find the distance between. Now, I have to find the distance between AC. And we have to find the distance between AC or CA. Me one, no problem. Find the distance between AC. What is A point? The A point is A0 and the C point is 0, root 3. Are you clear? Now find the distance between AC, that is root over. Here mention that x1 by 1, x2 by 2. x2 minus x1, 0 minus a. Just observe before sum it is sum. Minus of minus I get. Why? That value is x1 value is minus a. Here no need to keep. Then y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, root 3a minus 0 whole square. That is minus a whole square plus root 3a whole square. Root over, don't forget that, root over. That is minus a whole square means a square plus 3a square. Why 3a square? Root 3 into 2, root 3 whole square is 3. If you don't know, just do that, I will explain that. Root 3a into root 3. Now root 3 into root 3, 3. A into a square. 3a square, that one I written now. Now that is root over 4a square. That is root 4 into root a square. That is 3. y to a root 4 values 2 and root square cancel, that is a 2. Now what do you observe? From this 3, AB is equals BC is equals CA is equals to A. So this is equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral triangle. Now write the conclusion. That is important. Till you complete it, suppose if it is given 4 marks, you will get 3.5 from there. What does that one you have to prove? Okay, then that is AB is equals BC is equals AC is equals to A. So it is equilateral triangle. So it is equilateral triangle. Okay, it is enough. Okay, this is maximum. They are giving 4 marks. Yes. Okay, then thank you, children. Remains sums we have to do and